Hey guys, so it is July 11th, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice again. Now, as you'll notice, I don't have any makeup on, and I have hardly any jewelry on. All I have on is my necklaces, and they're currently inside my sweater. I've just been having a very stressful day, but this stuff is amazing. It gives me motivation, it gives me determination, and it gives me just the right amount of energy, and it makes it so that I'm awake for the entire day. Because me on a normal basis, when I don't drink this stuff, I am just so tired the entire day. It is not even funny. And my social worker actually mentioned to me there on Thursday that apparently my eyes were glossy. So she was wondering if I was high. I wasn't, because I don't do that. But I said, I don't know, maybe it's just the sunlight, maybe it's just the Amare. And honestly, I think it's the Amare, because I seen this story that I shared on Facebook about this woman that does drink Amare, and she's been using it for 15 months. And if you look at her eyes, they're extremely glossy, but it's not really glossy. They just look extremely healthy. So I think that's what's going on. It's making my eyes look glossy because I'm beginning to get healthier.